Diana Denmark here, rah rah rah. It is Saturday and I am here again. I'm posting every single day. Month of February, we're looking for one item to declutter, at least one item. And it is the weekend. Hopefully you're getting some rest and relaxation. Our kids are here this weekend, hooray! My daughter arrived yesterday, my son is coming over today. And my daughter and I went through some of her sports equipment. And this is just a little reminder to you. Remember, do not go decluttering somebody else's stuff. You can help your kids, you can go through it together. Get into the habit of doing it on a regular basis. What do they use? What have they grown out of? And I'll show you the items for today. A foam roller, she's going to take that. She's going to take that to her apartment. So that is going. Woo! So it's not being handed on to somebody else, but it's leaving our house. Yay! A skipping rope, which is like a sports brand. It's an adult skipping rope. She doesn't want that, so I'm going to put that in the bag for our next swap party. I'm sure one of the ladies will love that. Something from my old office in the basement. Okay, who remembers the bunny clock that you've seen in many of my videos? Here it is. And actually, you can stop the eyes from moving if you don't like seeing the eyes moving. But this was a really fun clock, and we're going to pass that on to somebody else who's going to use it and love it. So over to you. You can work in Flylady Zone 2. That's where I've been working this week. You can work in any area of the house. And tomorrow I'm going to be working in Flylady Zone 3, which is the bathroom plus one other room. It could be a garden shed, the garage, could be your office. But remember, like the video, subscribe, let me know what you are going to be decluttering today. I'm going to get back to the family and I shall see you here tomorrow. Okay, bye for now.